My name is Kyle Easter with Jump15.com, and in today's video we're talking about sizing your jump rope. Sizing your jump rope is one of the biggest mistakes that I see among beginners and even intermediate jumpers. Improper rope length can severely slow your ability to learn how to jump rope as well as just develop your skills and abilities. It can also force you into a lot of bad habits in form and technique. So the goal of this video is to eliminate these pitfalls by showing you exactly how to size your jump rope so you can be confident moving forward, knowing that you have the right jump rope length for you. So if you're ready, let's do this.
When sizing your rope, stand on the middle of the rope, even out the handles and hold them up to your body. A good starting point for beginners is mid to upper chest. This length of rope provides some room for error in form and technique and easily allows for learning skills like crosses. You do not want your rope too long. A rope that is too long can force you into poor form and have too much rope hitting the ground, which can cause trip-ups. The goal is to have the rope just skimming the ground. Here is my rope. As you can see, I have worked my way down to a rope length of just below my chest. It may not look like much of a difference, but the shorter the rope, the less room for error. Caution should be used when shortening your rope, only doing a little at a time. Expect more trip-ups following shortening as you have to get used to the new length with slight form adjustments. As you can see, I am still able to perform various skills with a shorter rope. In order to do so, you have to develop strong form and technique consistency. Here I have made my rope super short. Ropes this short are used for advanced speed development using the sprint skill and double or triple unders. You have very little room for error at this length. Notice there is little clearance of the rope overhead, so you must be very precise in your mechanics. The slightest rise in your hands will cause you to trip up.
Now you know how to properly size your jump rope. If you like this video, hit the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Leave a comment below with any other topics that you'd like me to cover on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.